Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Makeup Freaks. I'm glad you guys are back. Hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Today we are going to do a quick, simple, yet still classy eyeshadow look. We are going to be using an Estee Lauder eyeshadow palette, which this one is called Pure Color Envy. Each color is starting from the right side. This one is Ivory Powder. This one is Magenta Rose, Provocative Petal, and Vein Violet. And we are going to be using our Sigma brushes today. And for blending brush, we are going to be using a Morphe brush, our Sigma Longwear eyeliner, and our L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. Let's jump in.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
We're gonna start off laying our base color, and I'm going to be using the E40 taper blending brush for this step. And we are going to be using the Ivory Powder, and we're going to put it up to our brow bone all the way on our lid. Then with our E44, we're going to come in with our firm bender brush. And we're going to use this grayish color, which is the Provocative Petal, and we're going to use it on our crease. We're going to come in and blend. With our E38 diffuser crease brush, we're going to use this on our outer crease corner, and we're going to come in with the Vein Violet, which is the purpley color. E55 eyeshadowing brush, we are going to use it with the Magenta Rose, which is this very light champagne color, and we're going to use it on our lid and inner corner. Then for the bottom lash, we're going to use the three colors that we use, which is all of these three except for the ivory one. Now with our Sigma eyeliner, we're gonna just shade in only our water lines on the top and bottom. With your flat brush, grab a little bit of the ivory color and put it underneath your brow bone for that nice highlighted lift brow look. Now let's repeat the same process from this side to this side. And that is how I created my easy yet classy eyeshadow look using the Estee Lauder Pure Envy color palette. If you want to know what I'm wearing on my lips, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you do not miss any new upcoming videos. I do post up every Wednesday. I love you guys. Bye.